Good morning, third class. How do you do? I miss you so much. Really, I miss you. So today's session, it's lesson 3. It's about speaking. But before start speaking, we have to step back a little bit to see what we did in lesson 1 and lesson 2. So in lesson 1, we saw different activities such as draw, hop, paint, play the guitar, play drums, these are drums, jump rope, speak English, and the last one is whistle. This is whistle. Then we move to this song here all day long. We complete its blanks here and we complete these numbers here. So 1, 2, and 3. Then we move to lesson 2 and we saw abilities. I can play guitar. I can't whistle. For example, for me, I can whistle. I can. Listen to me. I can. But I can't play guitar. I don't know how to play guitar or drums. Then today we'll move here to lesson 3. In lesson 3 we will see different activities and different abilities. But before start, who are these? Who are these? Who are these persons here? They are the happy campers. Yes. Who is she? Who is she? She is Clara. Very good. And this one here, she is Lisa. Good. And this boy here is Sam. Very good. And this one here, this boy who are riding skateboard. His name is Tom. Very good. So, where are they? What do you think? Where are they? They are in the playground or in the yard. Take in a garden or a yard. They are playing there. Or in a playground. I think they are in a playground. So, what does Lisa do in here? She climbed a tree. We saw this activity before. And what does Tom do? He's ride a skateboard. Very good. Lisa, she play the guitar. Very good. Yes. Oh, she fall in here. What does Clara do? She taking pictures because she is a chatterbug. So let's see this comic strip in a video. Let's listen.
The chatterbugs.
Let's take some pictures. Lisa, can you climb trees? Yes, I can. Look.
Can you play the guitar?
Yes, I can. Listen. Can you jump rope, Lisa? Yes, I can. Watch.
I know. Can you ride a skateboard? I bet you can't.
Yes, I can. Look. No, I can't.
Yes, very good. So Lisa, she's falling down. So let's start reading. start with Clara. Let's take some pictures. Lisa, can you climb trees? Clara asks. Yes, I can. Look. And Lisa climbed tree. Here, can you play the guitar? Yes, I can. She is able to do this. I can. Yes, I can. She is a good player, by the way. Move here. Can you jump? Can you jump rope, Lisa? Yes, I can. I can. Watch. And here, I know, Tom said. I know you ride. Sorry. I know you. Can you ride skateboard? Can you ride a skateboard? I bet you can't. I bet, this word I think you are unfamiliar with. I bet, for example, I will give you an example. I am asking Mernisi, can you climb this tree? If you can climb this tree, I will give you 100 dirham. If you can't, I will not give you 100 dirham. I bet. I use I bet you can't. Can you climb this tree? If you can, I will give you 100 dirham. I bet you can't. Yes, I bet you can't. Yes, I can. Look. And she starts riding the skateboard and she falls down. Okay, so these are some characters and their abilities. Lisa, she is able to climb trees. I mark it here. Sorry, I will mark it in blue. She is able to climb trees and play the guitar. These are the abilities that she can do. And jump rope. Lisa, she can do this. And she can't ride a skateboard. She can't. All these here, she can do. She can climb tree. She can play guitar. She can jump rope. But ride a skateboard, she can't. So what are you going here to do? To listen to the we are going to move here to lesson 3. Lesson 3 is about dictation. Please, what you have to do here to listen and complete. Please listen, then complete. To write dictation. Sorry, I will play. Excuse me. Yes. Listen
Unit 8,
and complete
Lesson
dictation.
3, Activity 3, Dictation. Listen and write. Then say.
1. Climb trees. 2. Whistle. 3. Play the guitar. 4. Draw. 5. Paint. 6. Speak English.
Yes, very good. This is the dictation. You have to listen to this track and write the names here. Write the activities here. If you finish, you have to move to language lodge. The exercise is very easy. And scramble, then match. OPH. What these words are going to give us? They are going to give us hop. Hop. I will write it here. H. Yes. H. Oh. Hop. Sorry for my bad handwriting. And it is not bad handwriting. It's laptop handwriting. Okay, hop. H-O-P. Give us hop. Then where is hop? This is hop. I will march. Yes, this is number one, hop. So RWDA. What these letters going to give us? Draw, jump rope, and this one sink, paint, whistle, and last one. They are very easy, so I'm not going to give you all these things here then much. Okay, so I hope you have a nice day, my dear students. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Don't forget these activities that we discovered here, or the abilities and disabilities that we discover in this session. Goodbye.